The first step to calculating your required fall clearance is understanding free fall, the distance you fall before your fall arrest system activates and begins to slow you down. A properly designed fall arrest system will help protect you from contacting any lower level or obstruction. But different systems can require different fall clearances. This is why it's so important to calculate your required fall clearance. The first factor in the equation is the full length of your lanyard, or the extended length of your self-retracting lifeline at the time of the fall. The second factor is deceleration distance, or the distance it takes for your lanyard or SRL to activate and arrest your fall. This is based on user weight, free fall distance, the type of lanyard or SRL, and applicable standards. The next factor to consider is the height of the suspended user, which is typically measured at 6 feet. The final measurement is the safety factor, an additional 1.5 foot space between the user's feet and the level below at the instant the fall is arrested, prior to any bounce back. The safety factor also includes harness stretch, which occurs when the dorsal D-ring slides upward on the harness straps. In summary, with a typical 6-foot lanyard anchored overhead and a 6-foot free fall, the total required fall clearance adds up to 17.5 feet. And if your lanyard is anchored to a point 4 feet below your dorsal D-ring, your free fall would be a total of 10 feet, exceeding the typical 6-foot free fall. However, with a typical personal SRL anchored overhead, the total required fall clearance can be reduced for 2 reasons. First, the lifeline is always under retraction tension, making the LL measurement shorter. And second, the deceleration distance of an SRL can be as little as 2 feet, compared to 4 feet with a typical lanyard. If you are unsure about the required fall clearance for your application, refer to the user instructions for your 3M DBI Sala lanyard or SRL for a chart to help determine specific system performance. For further information, consider taking a 3M Fall Protection Competent Person training course offered at one of our 3 locations, including Red Wing, Minnesota, Houston, Texas, and Tustin, California. To learn more, visit 3m.com/fallprotection or call 800-328-6146.